At Enable Healthcare, we understand the importance of comprehensive charting for pediatricians. And we also recognize the time and effort that goes into that process. Even the time it takes to hunt down a patient's labs, medication list, and procedural history is overwhelming. That's why Enable Healthcare's new AI-powered EHR feature, enableAssist, is a game changer for busy pediatricians. Here's how it works. Simply go to the Assessment ICD section in your patient's chart. Select the diagnosis you need to write the assessment for, in this case, a well child check, and select the EA icon to reveal your assessment and plan insights. That's it. Your assessment's instantly drafted by drawing from various elements of the chart. Disease-specific labs, medications, procedures, and more are instantly compiled for an easy one-click review. Lower your charting time with Enable Healthcare's enableAssist.